Voyager1 has just identified a huge object moving through space. What could it possibly be? Join us on this thrilling journey as we explore uncharted area in search of answers and push the boundaries of human comprehension. Hello and welcome to Zeey. Please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to receive our daily videos. Human curiosity has led to some of the most astonishing works of engineering in the vast expanse of space, such as the two Voyager spacecraft, which have been exploring the universe for decades and continue to reveal jaw-dropping discoveries. NASA launched Voyager 2 from Cape Canaveral 45 years ago on an epic interstellar voyage. The probe conducted a stunning grand tour of the solar system, beginning with Jupiter and Saturn and progressing to Uranus and Neptune, as well as their moons. Voyager 2 is now 12.1 billion miles away, sending back groundbreaking data on the heliopause. Voyager 1 is now the farthest distant man-made object from our planet, traveling into space at an incredible 14.5 billion miles per hour. How a massive object traveling through space has been discovered by Voyager 1. This has really stunned the scientific community. The Voyager mission changed planetary exploration not only in terms of science, but also in demonstrating that the outer solar system could be explored with only a few spacecraft. NASA is continuously researching our solar system decades after the Voyager missions. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, will be NASA's next stop in the solar system. Titan is a fascinating, extremely biological environment. The Dragonfly mission will perform multiple missions to collect and analyze data from the area surrounding Saturn's ice moon, increasing their search for the building blocks of life. The Dragonfly mission will arrive in 2034. The Europa Clipper will begin exploring Jupiter's ocean moon Europa in 2030. The National Academies have now approved a new project, the Uranus Orbiter and Probe, with a $4.2 billion budget to examine the enigmatic ice giant planets and their moons. The mission was inspired by Voyager 2's 1986 voyage to Uranus. The Uranus Orbiter and Probe, which went directly across the plane of the moon's orbits, will focus on the ocean worlds Ariel and Miranda, which were only briefly spotted by Voyager 2 and are in desperate need of further investigation. Even for NASA, the success of the Voyager missions is unparalleled. Despite the fact that there were no guarantees at the moment of launch, the agency has remained there for 2/3 of the mission's 45-year lifespan. The equipment on board has also proven to be extremely durable, although being designed to last only 4 years. Some are still in use. It's incredible that they've been doing this for 45 years, stepping every 192 seconds. The spacecraft's speeds and distances are difficult to comprehend, with each flying at more than 30,000 miles per hour or 48,000 kilometers per hour. It's incredible to watch their odometers tick up twice a second, adding 10 miles or 16 kilometers or more to their already astonishing journey. Despite the fact that their communications travel at the speed of light, it takes between 17 and 22 hours for them to reach Earth, reminding us how small our world is compared to the immensity of space. Their distance from us, on the other hand, adds to their attractiveness. Voyager 2 just followed its twin Voyager 1 inside the bubble that surrounds our solar system, marking another milestone in the incredible journey of the Voyager probes. Voyager 2 went from being covered in sun-created material to being washed by the surrounding neighborhood in just a few hours, exactly like its twin Voyager 1 did in 2012. While exploring outer space about 40 years ago, the two trips encountered and investigated gigantic objects. Given Pioneer 10's limited capabilities, Voyager 2 was able to make the closest approach to Jupiter. Voyager 2 was able to use instruments to conduct a more in-depth investigation of Jupiter and its surroundings. Exploring the immensity of space, racing through the asteroid belt and heading towards the Jovian system. That's exactly what Voyager did between December 10, 1977 and September 8, 1978, when it arrived at Jupiter and began capturing photographs of the gas giant as well as conducting groundbreaking scientific experiments. On March 5th, it even got up close and personal with Amalthea, one of Jupiter's inner moons, and took a close-up photo of its surface. Voyager 1 didn't stop there, it proceeded on its way. It made its closest approach to Jupiter 5 hours later, skirting within 174,000 miles of the planet's whirling cloud tops. It went through Jupiter's major moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, which were all discovered centuries ago by Galileo, and took beautiful images of them on its way out. The Voyager 1 missions achieved significant scientific advancements by unveiling the unusual appearance of the Jovian system, revealing a shocking active volcano on Io, and identifying two previously unknown moons on their return to Jupiter. Voyager 1 discovered a small ring around the planet, providing a beautiful backlit image of the gas giant. These remarkable discoveries paved the way for future missions such as Juno, which just captured an incredible image of a volcanic plume on Io that was straddling the line between day and night. Despite the fact that Juno's primary mission is to examine Jupiter using a multispectral approach, the spacecraft's 4 cameras spent more than an hour watching the volcanic moon's pole, documenting the unexpected but thrilling discovery of an active volcano plume spewing debris from the moon's surface. On February 14, 1990, Voyager 1 completed an incredible feat by capturing the family portrait of 6 planets in the solar system, including our own Earth, which was 3.7 billion miles away at the time. The snap, composed of 60 separate shots, was the final sequence of images obtained by either of the Voyager spacecraft. In February 2020, NASA released a remastered version of this famous shot titled Pale Blue Dot after 30 years. However, over the past few years, these daring spacecraft have been blazing away across the universe, returning never-before-seen photographs of the strange and fascinating region of interstellar space. New discoveries continue to astound us on our voyages. Every piece of data they send back generates new concerns and problems, leading scientists to speculate about what else might exist outside the heliosphere, such as a mysterious hydrogen layer around the heliosphere, as some theories imply. Furthermore, the heliosphere is on its way to an interstellar cloud, and we don't know what impact this will have on the boundary and on us, the solar system's occupants. These pioneers are the first man-made objects to travel beyond our solar system's borders into an undiscovered zone billions of kilometers from their home planet. Their expedition has shown a violent and chaotic cosmos beyond the boundaries of our solar system, culminating in a location that is anything but calm, analogous to the plunge pool beneath Niagara Falls. Astronomer Michelle Bannister describes the frenzied movement of magnetic fields meeting and pushing against one another in a tumultuous dance. This chaotic energy is produced by our sun's constant discharge of charged particles known as solar wind when it collides with the interstellar medium's mixture of gases, dust, and cosmic rays. It produces a frothy and turbulent landscape that is far from the serene blackness that we imagine, and scientists have been striving for many years to unveil the secrets of the interstellar medium using advanced technology like as X-ray and radio observatories. These efforts led them to the conclusion that the medium is made up of ionized hydrogen atoms, cosmic rays, and dust that interact with dense gas clouds to generate stars. The nature of the interstellar medium beyond our solar system, on the other hand, is mostly unknown. Because the heliosphere, a gigantic bubble created by the solar wind that houses the sun and its 8 planets, protects us from it as the solar system moves through the galaxy, this invisible shield acts as a barrier, keeping most of the dangerous cosmic rays and particles at bay. The story of Voyager, on the other hand, is far from over. These spacecraft are still impacted by the sun's gravity and other forces after leaving the heliosphere. The voyages keep surprising us with new discoveries. Every piece of data they send back generates fresh questions and concerns, forcing scientists to speculate on what else might exist beyond the heliosphere. These spacecraft are exploring the vastness of interstellar space billions of kilometers away from their Earth-based creators. Voyager 1, our planet's most distant man-made object, has been shooting away from us for more than 4 decades and is now more than 23.8 billion kilometers away. What are your thoughts on the future of the Voyager probes? Will they make any more incredible discoveries? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to the channel if the wonders of space fascinates you. Thanks for watching.